December. Hi, my name is Hunter.
And moa tara Winton School, I'm Jackson. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news.
We start today with a few words from our 2015 School President hopefuls.
Hi, my name is Taryn and I'm running for Winton School President 2015. I think I'll make a great school president because I am a careful and cooperative leader.
Hi, my name is Justin and I'm running for the Winton School President 2015. I think I'll make a great school president because I communicate well with the whole school and the teachers.
Hi, my name is Madeline and I'm running for Winton School President 2015. I think I'll make a great school president because I'm a loudspeaker.
Hi, my name is John T and I'm running for the Winton School President 2015. I think I'll make a great school president because I'm open and fair.
Hi, my name's Lockie and I'm running for Winton School President 2015. I think I'll make a great school president because I'll lead the school well at many events.
Hi, my name is Omea and I'm running for the Winton School President in 2015. I think I would make a great school president because I am a good role model, a capable leader and have a sense of fun.
6 great candidates for 2015. We look forward to your campaign speeches tomorrow morning.
Health and safety news. We still need ice packs returned to the office, please, and a friendly reminder to walk your bikes and scooters through the school. Thank you.
Library news. All our books are due back. If you haven't got them in, get cracking.
Te Kupu o te Wiki. This week's word is whariha kina kina, which is te reo for gym, as in lifting weights and getting fit.
A popo is ramere, and sausage sizzle is back. So bring your money, and Slurpies are back on sale. Bring your gold coins, 2 per person.
Touch news. A reminder for Year 1 and 2 touch teams, your practices are back on. Make sure you're ready at 12:40.
Can the Year 6 and 5 Winton Stags please meet their coaches at 12:45 today for a practice?
Winton Bears, you have practice today with Krista and Emma. Your training days are now Thursdays.
Winton Cougars touch practice. Every Thursday meet Kyle and Luke at the crossing. Thank you.
And please double check the touch draw on the notice board as there are a lot of 3:30 p.m. games this week.
Thanks to all our fantastic Year 7 and 8 coaches and parent managers. Last game's tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the Inter-House Sports Challenge. Arrive in your house colours and stay away from the activities set up around the school.
Birthday news. There are 2 birthdays at Winton School today. Our school president Taylor Ballantyne turns 13 and Kenny Hart turns 6.
Rafano kia koro. Have a great day.
Okay, that's us for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Remember to tune in next Monday for our end of term wrap up with interviews and highlights from the term. Haere rā, Winton School.